On the southeastern part of India, West Bengal permeates between the Himalayas and Bay of Bengal. And in one of the largest districts in the state, Purba Medinipur, holds an island-like block called Moyna, which nonetheless rich in both cultural heritage as well as in one of the largest fish exporter throughout the state. Officially declared as a thousand-year-old Rajbari of Moynagar, has long been abandoned and ignored by citizens. Digging the history, we can find that Moina used to flourish in paddy and jute cultivation and was once wrapped in greenery all throughout the year. As human evolution went through paradigm shifts, the place too went through serious shifts where Moina from a full blown agriculture radically transformed to aquaculture. All through its change of journeys, one institution that was ahead of its time is Moina Ramkrishnan Association, led by Mr. Shashank Maiti, a specialized teacher for children with special needs, and his wife, Mrs. Jayashree Maiti, a national award winner for her flavorful nursing career, started working for community development since 1990. Initially, the duo started their social service by serving newborn babies and their mother into remote villages where women health was considered surplus. 1994 was followed by a divine intervention where with the help and collaboration of both state and central, Moina Ramkrishnan Association finally got the opportunity for implementing three rigorous 6 years old central projects. The first stepping stone for the organization was when it improvised smokeless chula in the village, which got broadcasted in Doordarshan. This was one of the great achievements in the then Moina, when Moina did not even had constructed routes to travel. Soon it was followed by a low-cost sanitization construction project in the block, and the third project that Moina Ramkrishnan Association embarked upon was National Environment Awareness Campaign. A huge population of villagers anticipated in it as long as they were benefited from the campaign, which has changed the demography of the block was in the year Y2K, when under the leadership of Shashank Maiti, founder of the organization, with 28 educated youths, both male and female, of the village, organized a group which these days we call a society. Mr. Bidut Maiti, a prominent group leader of the same, came up with a noble proposal of a residential school for blind and mentally retarded children. Initially, with own resources, these leaders started with 65 children at a rented home for rehabilitation. Slowly but steadily, importance of special education and rehabilitation spread throughout the block and the village. Previously, many psychologically challenged people, particularly women who had experienced trauma throughout their life and their reaction is not as per society's expectation, were often a subject to superstition. Now, they too started gaining confidence under the organization's leadership and rehabilitation. In the same year, West Bengal government finally noticed their passion and desperation towards community. And finally, Moina Ramkrishnan Association got their own land for building the proposed school. This, however, did not limit itself to special education, but with all inclusiveness started Rabindra Open University, a study center for those who could not continue their education for any reason. After a few years, on the same campus, with the help of Social Justice and Empowerment Department of Government of India, Special School of Hearing Impairment too found its course of action running under the same organization. National Trust of India's financial aid helped the organization start a center based home. In short, it is called Samarth. In the concern of children from poor households of the villages, the organization also established an English medium school in 2004, affiliated to West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. In the interest of local and residential students, with the aid of Government of West Bengal, OPD Health Clinic Center too has been formed and an ambulance has been provided to the organization for the benefit of all. The organization has always stood ahead of its time in matters of working for rural community development. In 2007, a student of the organization, Shagorika Hajra, achieved first position and returned to India winning gold medal in Shanghai Olympic. A silent revolution followed in a short span of time with the much needed spiritual evolution, especially in rural, holding the hands of the organization. Temples have been built inside the campus, open for every commoner, where yoga, meditation, and spiritual retreats are taken care of. In order to move at a pace with current technology and its social impact, 91.2 FM Polibangla Community Radio, with every modern facility possible, has been established in the same campus, through which almost a population of 7 lakh is benefited. Mostly, the programs focus on community development, agriculture, and social exposure. Anandalok, a renowned institution both in urban as well as rural, has contributed much to the locality by aiding for building homes for the poor and downtrodden, organizing mass marriage in villages, helping villagers with household stuffs and clothes. Two trusts nearby gradually grew up: Moina Ramakrishnan Association (TTI) and Moina Vivekananda Mission (TTC) for encouraging villagers get higher education, and thus B.Ed and D.Ed college gained popularity in the bloc. With increasing vocational and educational institution, child marriages in the village gradually descended. Keeping the agroeconomy in mind and to empower women of the village, Shashank Maiti started a farmers producer company and Dikha Agro Farm Private Limited, which is the first fish feed production company in the bloc, where both men and women earn their daily bread. With the Ramakrishna and Vivekananda ideology in mind, the organization's social work made the organization achieve Best Organization Award by State Government of West Bengal in 2012. In the same year, founders of the institution, Jayashree Maiti, received Nightingale National Award, followed by Disabled Development Individual Outstanding Achievement Award was achieved by the founder secretary of the organization, Mr. Shashank Maiti, in 2014. Like this, while evolving ourselves and the people around, an entire block of around 10 lakh population is on its path of evolution where the discrimination between rural and urban fades and innermost potential of human paints the canvas of life.